Association, the Cultural Committee, myself Richa, along with Sirisha, take an immense pleasure in welcoming you all to the 10th annual day of our layout. The whole 1.5 months long journey of practice and preparation has been very exciting. I would like to thank the ladies, the mentors who took out their valuable time and put in their immense efforts to train our children for their performance. In today's celebration, our main heroes are our children who have put in their best of efforts to present this extravaganza to you. Our annual day provides us the right platform to find out the hidden qualities and talent hidden inside us by showcasing them on the stage in front of our friends and families. I thank each and everyone who has put in their time and efforts to bring out this show. So without wasting much time, let us begin and unfold the various events awaiting. I hope you all enjoy this evening with our participating residents spread their magic by displaying their talents. Thank you.
Thank you, Richa. Now we invite our CSV President, Mr. Mahesh Jain and Mrs. Jain to come and light the lamp to inaugurate the program. Uncle ji, Auntie ji. Kids, we are going to start the program. I request everyone to come on and take a seat. अंकल आंटी नहीं आ रही, शुरू करना पड़ेगा वरना यही तो पकड़।
Put your hands together for the lighting of lamp.
आंटी आइए अंकल कैंडल आंटी कर
ये आंटी से करवा दीजिए। अंकल आंटी से, हाँ आंटी से करवा दीजिए।
नहीं 500 कर दीजिए, आंटी ज़्यादा करेंगे। क्लैप।
Now may I request CSV President Mr. Mahesh Jain to speak a few words on this annual day. Over to you, Uncle.
सभी का पहले तो धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूं कि आपने अपना अमूल्य समय देकर इस प्रोग्राम को अटेंड कर रहे हैं। दूसरा, ये प्रोग्राम सभी यहाँ के ही लोगों के द्वारा तैयार किया गया है और हो सकता है कि आपको उसमें कुछ कमी भी नज़र आए, लेकिन ये आपके ही लोगों का है, इसलिए उसको नज़रअंदाज करते हुए इस प्रोग्राम को सफल बनाने में सहयोग करेंगे। और ये अपना ये 10वां प्रोग्राम है, ये 1 दशक हो गया इस लेआउट को, इस प्रोग्राम को करते हुए। तो ये और एक ख़ास बात है कि ये 10वां प्रोग्राम है हमारे लिए। और जिन स्पॉन्सर्स ने कॉनकॉर्ड, HDFC, नीलगिरी, इन लोगों ने हमें सहयोग प्रदान किया है स्पॉन्सरशिप करके, उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। साथ ही आप सभी को धन्यवाद देता हूं कि आपने इस प्रोग्राम में अटेंड होकर के हमारा उत्साह बढ़ा रहे हैं। धन्यवाद। सबसे पहले मैं मिसेज राजकुमारी एंड पार्टी को आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा कि वो गणेश वंदना से इसकी शुरुआत करें। हमारी सीनियर सिटीजन जो हैं वो जस्ट लाइक अनुराधा पौडवाल की तरह से हैं और आपको इनके गणेश वंदना में काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा लगेगा और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप अच्छा एंजॉय करेंगे। और उसके बाद मिसेज रमा देवी एंड रोमी चौधरी आपको गणेश वंदना प्रस्तुत करेंगी। उनकी गणेश वंदना में भी आपको सुमन कल्याणपुर जैसा आनंद आएगा। थैंक यू मिसेज राजकुमारी एंड पार्टी।
Of wisdom. What other better way than to start the program with Ganesh Vandana? We'll get chairs for them. Big round of applause to encourage our first mic is there, na? Standing mic.
राजकुमारी सोनी,
निर्मला सोनी,
पुष्पा गुप्ता, पुष्पा गुप्ता, मनोरमा सोनी।
back to Sunit.
सुस्वागतम हे गणनायक स्वागतम स्वागतम सुस्वागतम हे गणनायक स्वागतम सिद्धि विनायक स्वागतम अष्ट विनायक स्वागतम सिद्धि विनायक स्वागतम अष्ट विनायक स्वागतम स्वागतम सुस्वागतम हे गणनायक स्वागतम अये स्वागतम गौरी सुताय स्वागतम एक दंताय स्वागतम गौरी सुताय स्वागतम स्वागतम सुस्वागतम हे गणनायक स्वागतम लंबोदराय स्वागतम विघ्ननाशाय स्वागतम लंबोदराय स्वागतम विघ्ननाशाय स्वागतम स्वागतम सुस्वागतम हे गणनायक स्वागतम वक्रतुंडाय स्वागतम शंभुसुताय स्वागतम वक्रतुंडाय स्वागतम शंभुसुताय स्वागतम स्वागतम सुस्वागतम हे गणनायक स्वागतम हेरंबाय स्वागतम गजाननाय स्वागतम हेरंबाय स्वागतम गजाननाय स्वागतम स्वागतम सुस्वागतम हे गणनायक स्वागतम स्वागतम सुस्वागतम हे गणनायक स्वागतम थैंक यू
Mrs. Rama Devi and keyboard support, singing by Rama Devi and Miss Romita. Devi, to start the program. Kids, I request Shweta and her kids. Thank you.
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे ईशः जीवनस्य गणाधिपः गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं श्रीगजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् अजेन्द्रपूजिता विघ्नेश्वरम् अजेन्द्रपूजिता विघ्नेश्वरं गणातिसन्नोद पादपद्मकरम् अजेन्द्रपूजिता विघ्नेश्वरो गणातिसन्नोद पादपद्मकरं कुञ्जर पञ्जर चतुरधरकरम् कुञ्जर पञ्जर चतुरधरकरं गुरुगुहात्मजं प्रणवाकारं कुञ्जर पञ्जर चतुरधरकरं गुरुगुहात्मजं प्रणवाकारं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम्
Wonderful Carnatic Kirtana. Our ears get opened once you start hearing the Carnatic. So we are going to continue our program with one more Carnatic.
Moving on to our next performance, we have a song for you, Jogida Siri Belekinalli, describing the greatness of Karnataka. Kids performing are Bala Murugan, Kavya, Khushi, Mansi, Santosh, Shivansh.
ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗಯತನೆ ಬಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದಿಯಲೋ ಹದದಿರವು ತುಂಗದ ನಿಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿದ್ವರ್ಣವನದ ತೀಗ ಗಂಧ ತರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗಯತನೆ ಬಳುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಹದ ದಿರವು ತುಂಗದ ನಿಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ
The song is taught to them by Miss Shweta Natarajan. She is a very good classical singer. She is a very good classical singer.
Don't go anywhere.
And she takes music class too in her layout.
Come over here. A big round of applause to the kids here. Shweta.
We hope to listen from you as well, Shweta, next time.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Thank you, kids.
Now, the program. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is a form of India's classical dance that originated in the temples of Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is also known for its grace, elegant purity, tenderness, expression, and sculpturesque poses.
Wonderful! As our tiny tots are going to steal your heart with their fashion show, kids participating are Anushka, Arohi, Karthik, Lalita, Moksh, Mridula, Purvi, Prach. Keep clapping. Encouragement. Keep the youngest one, just 2 years old. Wow, the heroes of tomorrow. Hooray for them. Please, a huge round of applause for the kids, please. Make a noise, people, make a noise. So pretty, isn't it? Please cheer for the kids. Claps, please. There she comes, little angel. Yeah, so fancy. Stylish. Claps, please. I need your encouragement. Thank you, kids, for putting up a great show. Can we have you once again on stage for a group photo? Who always
Nitya.
participates in all the cultural events. Thank you, dear.
Nitya, Mrs. Nitya.
Myself Ram, I am branch manager, Electronic City HDFC Bank branch. Most of you people knowing me closely, I don't need much of interaction about myself. Actually Sunit, I would have stayed, I would have taken much more time. After seeing this fantastic performance of these kids, I don't have anything to talk rather. I congratulate each and every person who has participated. They are very, very good. I really liked it. And in future course of time, whenever you have this kind of a programs, please let us know. We would like to be participate and we will extend our support in this regard. Coming to the topic, let me congratulate Concord Silicon Valley on their 10th anniversary. This is 10 years of this kind of occasion. Really, I know at what state you guys are in. We were also participating in this beautiful occasion. I thank Mr. Sunit, Association of Concord Silicon Valley, for giving us an opportunity, and we will continue to give our support in future course of time as well. For the years just opposite to you, we have been interacting on various occasions, and as and when wherever you require any sort of support, we are there. As a banker, I will not talk much about finance and all those things. As a bank, where we are heading to this, I'll take 2 minutes of your time. Now it is not now HDFC is no more a traditional banking system. It is going to be digital banking, where we are heading to a digital customer interface is going to be reduced with any of our offices, rather any of your loans, anything that you can get it through your ATM only. This is the new development what it is taking place in HDFC. We have 75% of the infrastructure is done, and HDFC as a bank, a consistent performer for the past 20 years with low NPA percentage, year on year growth, whatever be the global situation is. So we need your support. We are there to support you. Kindly support us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Ram Gopal. Thank you very much.
Try your cerebral muscles with our entertainment filler team, Avishi and Ankita.
Thank you, Auntie. All the performers till now were excellent. Don't you think so? Okay, everyone, I'm Avishi and this is my friend Ankita. And today we're here to ask you some riddles and tongue twisters. So here is our first question.
From what number can you take half and leave nothing?
I want all those people who want to answer, please raise your hands, we'll come to you. What? Anyone else? Someone else? Anyone else? One. I'm sorry. Anybody else? Okay. A half? No. I think we should repeat the question. Do repeat it.
From what number can you take half and leave nothing?
Hello.
Minus 0.5.
Avishi, please ask the question again.
Oh. 0. 8. Okay.
Correct answer.
Can I have Miss Gayatri to distribute the chocolates?
Gaurav.
A big hand for Gaurav, please.
Okay, so 8 is the answer. Next, we have a tongue twister for all of you. It is red lorry, yellow lorry. Who can say that? You need to come up here. You have to say that 7 times, okay? Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Wait, red lorry. What? Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Okay, good try. Anybody else?
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry.
Anyone else? Red lolly. Anyone else who wants to?
Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow.
No, good try.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red.
Anyone else? Anyone else?
Lorry.
Faster.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry,
red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry.
Wow! Good. Seems we have a winner.
Dude, stand up.
She asked the name of the winner.
Likita.
Likita.
Of stone.
How do you make notes of stone?
Rewrite it the other way.
Avishi, here we have somebody.
Rewrite it the other way around.
Rock music. Okay, you're close.
You're really close.
Once.
Oh, okay. No.
Don't give it to opposite. Stone.
Okay, we have somebody very close. Anyone else? Anyone else? This side?
What is it?
Did you read it?
No. Remove the letter S to get tone.
No, you're close.
No, take the letter S and put it at the end.
Okay, so yeah, you can say that. Okay, so we have another winner. Oh yeah, take S and then put it at the end so you get notes. Other people were also very close. So yeah. So our next tongue twister is Kacha Papad Pakka Papad. Who can say that? 7 times. 7 times. Wait.
Come on, elders. You can participate in this, right? Come on, big round of applause for
कच्चा
the
पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा 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 पापड़
Enough,
पक्का
enough.
पापड़
Smita
कच्चा
is the
पापड़ पक्का
winner.
पापड़
Clear cut winner here. Kudos to Smita.
Why is letter A the most like a flower?
Why is the letter A the most like a flower?
Kavya wants to answer that.
B the B. Okay, you're close. Anyone else? Where's Kavya?
Kavya, can you come here?
Okay, we have a winner over here.
Great job, Kavya. Great job, kids. Avishi and Ankita. Now,
Hello, this is PSP. Everybody put your hands up to the beat. हमारी मम्मी मैंने घर पे ये कुछ लेकर लेने घुसी कुछ तो करेंगे छुपके मिल जरा
जश्नबाजी की शाम है जश्नबाजी की शाम है क्रिकेट साल पे ठुमके लगाए सालिमा
तेरी शैतानियत से महफिल रंगीन हुए तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई दुनिया जलती है तो चले दुनिया जलती है तो चले रात भर सालमा के संग नचे सालमा
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हमें नाज है जाने ना हमको ये इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Very catchy Bollywood numbers from this little ones group. So I call their mentor, Mrs. Aditi, to come over here to take a bow. हाँ आइए. Very well done kids. Everybody claps for the kids. Big round. See how old they are. 5 years, 6 years. Picture for all of them. Thank you very much Aditi. Now Sunit ji.
I don't want to take a lot of time. You've already got fantastic program going on over here. Cute little kids playing cute little songs as well. So I'll just be quick and short. I'm Jagannath. I'm a sales manager at Decathlon, Hosur Road. The main purpose to come over here and kind of create awareness and sponsor this program is to first sponsor this lovely community. You've got a great spirit going on, great bond, keep it up. And this is just to create awareness about the Decathlon Sport store that's set up right next to D-Mart. That's on the left-hand side when you go from Hosur, when you go towards Hosur. So Decathlon, as you all know, would probably be just a sports brand, which is probably the next right after Nike and Adidas. And it's got stores all over India. The one right next to D-Mart is the closest to you. So if you want anything, right from golf, basketball, cricket, football, anything related to kids, and not just for kids, but even for adults who are interested in song, dance, fitness, you got everything, right from sports equipments to sports playgrounds. And that's it. If you want to just spend nice little time, come over to our store, and yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Hi, very young girls of our layout. This is a junior girl song by Akshata, Anushri, Dharini, Kirtana, Mridula, Vaibhavi and Varsha. Can we have you on stage?
Udana Vedya Chetana Sarvajaya Samsari Jaya Bharati Vishwa Vinodana Vedya Chetana Sarvajaya Samsari Jaya Bharati Karunada Saraswati Judi Gopura Sura Shilpa Kalakriti Krishne Tunge Kaveri Kaveri Kshetra Manohari Vishwa Vinutana Vedya Chetana Sarva Hridaya Samsari Jaya Bharati Ganga Kadamba Rashtra Kuta Bala Charukya Bhaisara Ballala Ganga Kadamba Rashtra Kuta Bala Charukya Bhaisara Ballala Hagavoka Pulikeshi Vikramar Channamma Jiya Virashri Hagavoka Pulikeshi Vikramar
गश्ती खुली सड़क में, पकड़ी तड़क भड़क में, बोले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में। छुरी न थी बगल में, आया ही ना अकल में, कि भागे हम या भीगे हम अकड़ में। तो सोचा फिर गीला हुआ है जो सुखाना हो, चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना हो। का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा, वही मुझे पासा तेरी ऐसी क्यों कैसे जिंदगी। का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा, वही मुझे पासा तेरी जिंदगी। You know
their mentor to come over here, please. Their mommy. Smita ji, where are you? Thank you. Thank you, Smita, for putting the nice picture. Special thanks to Smita.
Over to you, PVM, Priyansh Ved Manu Trio.
Fast.
No one?
Come, show, come. Show the bubble gum. I got it. He oh, friend. You don't have anything. There is. Okay, your name?
Really? Unitan.
Okay, Unitan gets the munch.
Collect your chocolate from here.
Okay, the winner of this is Unitan. The next one. The lady who comes first with the green bangles gets wins.
The lady with the green bangle.
Green bangles.
Whosoever comes first. Green bangles.
Oh, there's a bee on my pant.
Do we have any lady with the green bangles? Yes, we have.
Who's coming?
Yeah. Sunita.
Yeah.
I request
A big
Chitra.
hand for Sunita.
Your name?
Sunita.
Take your chocolate from here, Sunita.
Okay.
For the mime thing.
The lady who comes to me first.
Yay!
Auntie, your name?
All of us are having.
Julie auntie wins.
Hello. Julie is the winner. Okay, Julie.
The man who comes to me first with the most number of 1 rupee coins